Good morning, sir,
Good
and good
morning.
morning, everyone. My name is Prachi Shahan, and I am from Bhadus, and I have done my schooling from Excellence School, Batul, and currently I study in BSc first year with math subject in JHPG College from Chandwada University, and I want to become a civil servant. And today I conversation with my partner Pallavi. Pallavi, so listen carefully.
Okay. So, hello Prachi. How are you?
Hello, Pallavi. I am fine, and you?
I am also good. So, what are you doing nowadays?
I'm just studying in BSc first year with my subject. And you?
I am also studying in BSc first year with maths, and I think your exam is coming in July. So, are you prepared for examination?
Uh, no, I am not prepared for examination because this year examination will held on the open book system. So, just I just bring the paper and see the book and read on my examination at home.
Yeah, yeah. I also, I will also do these things in my open book examination. So, but I think this is not good for a student's future because student copy in their examination and they have no knowledge for any subject. So how can he face the problems in their future? So what do you think that?
Yeah, of course, thought is good, but nowadays pandemic here and there, and what should government do? They have no idea and they have no choice to choose this. So government choose this way and had the open book examination.
Yeah, yeah. So and what do you want to become in your future?
I want to become a civil servant, and you?
I also want to become a civil servant, but everyone has a plan after their success. But I think everyone should have a plan after their failure. So I want to know from you if you don't get means if you will not get your success means achievement, so what will you do after
I have no plan, but I give my 100% in their examination. This examination, and then after I not success in this examination, so I run in this field. I think I do BSc and then master degree, and I run this path. And what is your
okay.
plan?
Yeah, I when I means I will give 100% for my achievement, but if I get failure in my future, so I will do any other services.
Okay. So, what you think consistency and good manner and honestly uh, you crack this examination? What you think? What your thoughts?
Yeah, if I will give 100% for my examination and my preparation, so I think I will get success in my career. And I think everyone should give their 100% before think any failure. But I think everyone have a plan after failure and after success. So I just wanted from you.
I want to know that if you choose the path BSc, so this is the right path for your future?
I think now this corona pandemic, so I think this is good for me.
Okay. So if this pandemic is not going on, so what did you choose path? Which path
As you
you
know that
choose?
as you know that my 12th subject is math, so I also choose this BSc field, means when the corona is not here and there, so I also choose this BSc fields. And what is your?
I also choose this path, but I think this time math subjects is it's not scope subject because everybody joined the engineering college, and everybody got engineering degree, but many students are at home. So what is the reason?
Yeah, people. It means people already give the standard to the maths, and they always think that this is good, and students should have take this subject, and after that they will get success in their life. And if they take any other subjects, means arts, commerce, and others, so they will not get success in their future, because people already give the standard to the maths subject. And in the schools, I think in MP, maths teachers prefer teachers gives preference to the maths subject. And I think in the Betul also commerce teachers are not available. And in the excellence school also there is no commerce teacher available, so student take only maths and bio subjects. So I think this reason is behind that. And what do you think that if any student want to take commerce subject, I also wanted to take means additional subject commerce, but there is no teacher available in my school, so I took bio subject because there is no teacher. So what do you think that should we aware the people, and give the importance of other subjects? What do you
Yeah,
think?
of course. Aware is not good idea, but the people's mindset is depend on what is the chosen for our career and what is the scope subject. So mindset of the people depends on these things. And do you know art subject is a very nice subject because your livelihood and your social life and your career make a art subject like geography, politics, sociology, and other things. So this subject made your career and made your social life good.
Yeah. I agree with you, because if we chosen art subject, but if any student choose a math subject, so he only focused on his books, and not aware the social evils in the society and social issues. But he also means padhai book ka keeda. He
Bookworm,
like
like a
bookworm,
bookworm.
means bookworm. He always depends on book and read books, but not aware from society and other things also.
So I think they not handle the society properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think for awareness, all subjects are good, but it is the students should take the subject for their according to their interest, and not from the what society says, means which subject is good or not. They give which subject give their preference. So I think all.
So, don't think math subject. If students take a math subject and bio subject, so they read the other subject like art subjects and general study subjects.
I can't hear means last words.
If any students take a math subject and bio subject, so they should read the general study subject because they is very useful for our future and our social life.
Yeah, I agree with you. Means in the school there is facility should available. Facility should available to aware the students for the social issues and the society. If they in the future if they faces many problems, so how can they overcome, and how can they faces the problem. This study should provide in the schools. What do you think?
Okay. Yeah, of course. I agree with your opinion.
Okay.
So, okay, nice talking to you, Pallavi.
Okay, so nice talking to you, and I think we will do our best.